Welcome back, thanks for watching. Today, it's Friday evening for me. I grabbed everything off my bench I had gotten for the past week. I got a lot of packages this week, which was awesome, but a lot of it was just like SMD resistors and stuff for some stuff I'm building. But the very last item was this stepper, this gauge stepper breakout board that came from Tindy, made by the Rengineer, or Adam. And just got this finished. It took me a little bit to get the code down, but that was my fault, not Adam's. And this is a actual a gauge, an analog gauge that you would see out of something like a speedometer. And interesting fact is, this is an actual stepper out of I think it's used in GMC and some other instrumentation gauges. It's a real nice product. I really like this, actually. I'm really impressed. So Adam has code out there that you can pick up for the Arduino. I don't use Arduino, so I use PICs just because that's what I do. But lucky for me, Adam actually had a little bit of sample code for the PIC, and it does what you would expect it to do. It just stroked the gauge from 0 to 100%, which is 945 steps, and it actually has stops on it, which supposedly you can remove. And that's not, obviously I wanted to change it for something I could use. So I was thinking I could send a 0 to 5 volt signal into my PIC, into the ADD converter, and then convert that into rotation. Might not be exactly where I want it right now, but it's not bad. And a little warning, I need to slow down my ADD conversion process a little bit because there's a little jitter in it, which I can actually see here. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but I'm getting this serial data from my ADD converter through the PIC. So I'm going to reset this thing, and you can see the boot up. I'll throw the code up for you to grab if you want to. You can slow down that ADD if you want, or you can really do, I don't care, it's up to you, you can do whatever you want with it. But so I'm going to hit this reset button here. Oh, one thing of note, if you grab the code from Adam somehow, his code was for the Todic 20-pin board, which is a 16F1509, and I have the Todic board 18F26K22. I did do some modifications, mostly the timer 0 is a little different, but it's all there and you'll see it. So go ahead and hit reset here. Now it's going to 0 right now, and it's just zeroing itself out. That was his code. I just left it. It stroked for 100%, came back to 0, and then it went to the position of my ADD converter. Now my ADD converter is controlled right here by this voltage divider. It's really a potentiometer. It has 0 on one side and 5 volts on the other, and then just the wiper gets sent into the analog to digital converter input. So you can just stroke it where you want, and it works out fine. I can sit there and watch it, and it'll get a little bit of jitter in the ADD converter. Again, that's my code, not Adam's, and you can just take and slow down the conversion process in that ADD converter. I wanted something real quick though, so that worked. So that's it. Really neat product. I think it was 19 and some change. So it was under $20 anyways, from Tindy, on the Tindy website I should say. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free. I'll throw up the code and play with it. I'll probably put this in something I have coming up, but we'll see that when it comes out. Thanks guys. See ya.